Greetings dear students. Today we are going to look into the grammar part, rearranging phrases or words into sentences. So sentence reordering or rearrangement is a part of a grammatical exercise that is being concentrated in most of the competitive exams. So what is sentence? Let us first understand what is sentence rearrangement. So it is an exercise in rearrangement of jumbled words or phrases to make sentences that are complete and that make sense. So like deliberately a sentence, the phrases and the words are jumbled. Their grammatical units are being jumbled to create this rearrangement or reordering of sentence exercises. So these jumbled words and phrases need to be rearranged in a proper order to form a grammatically correct meaningful sentence. So there are certain set of techniques that we need to follow while we are rearranging the phrases. First of all, we need to look for the subject and predicate which contain verb. Next, we need to look into the helping verbs, objects, adjectives, adverbs and other parts of speech. So we need to arrange them in a way that it makes sense. So read the sentence carefully after rearrangement, and we should make sure that the sentence is giving out the correct, it is arranged in a proper sense that gives a proper sense, and it is grammatically correct. We should not forget to count the words, because we need to stick to the words, number of words that is being given in the question. So it should be same. We cannot be adding up any word or remove any word from the given question. And we should not use any other word other than the ones that is being given in the sentence. And students can use trial and error method in complex and large disordered sentence. So these are the sentences, example sentences for you people to work out. You can just take a note and a pen and arrange the exercise in a proper manner and leave it in a comment. The correct answers, kindly put it in the comment. Just pause the video for the question and do this jumbled word exercise. In the next slide, you will find the answer for all these questions. You can just check your level of understanding the phrases, subject, predicate, all the parts of speech, the usage of all the parts of speech through this. Okay, and this is the slide that is going to give the answer. So after doing that exercise, cross check with this whether you how many questions you have attempted right, and if not, kindly improve yourself in doing this grammar exercise. So that is all about rearranging the phrases or sentences. Thank you.